Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riri, and today I brought my sister with me.
Hey, I'm Zari, and today we're going to be making slime!
Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is reviewing the slime that I made the other day. I call this one Winter Wonderland. Oh, I love the shine to it. I love this product that I made. It came out absolutely beautiful. It actually looks like Winter Wonderland. I love the shine to it. I love the sparkles. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the way it came out. Okay, so next, I'm going to be making another slime. And then my sister Zari is going to be making another slime. And at the very end of this video, I'll have one bonus for you guys. So stay to the very end. Okay, so we're going to start on our Christmas-inspired slime. So first, you're going to add Clear Dawn. Okay, so next we're going to add 5 ounces of water. Next we're going to add glue. So next we're going to add 2 drops of red food coloring. It's pretty already. I like the red. So we're going to add 2 pinches of this red flakes. Next, we're going to add this white glitter. So we're going to add 1 spoon of this silver glitter. So next we're going to add this silver confetti. We're going to add these red beads. 1 spoon. Next, we're going to add these 2 tablespoons of these. Next, we're going to add these foam balls.
Okay.
So we're going to put 3 drops of this watermelon fragrance. Okay, so now I added the watermelon, I'm going to start stirring. Now it's time for the activator. So it's starting to look.
It smells so good.
This is. So this is my peppermint slime, and now my sister Zari is going to do her slime.
Hey guys, it's Zari. I'm Rihanna's sister, and I'm going to be making my slime now. I'm going to be making a Christmas tree themed slime. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding this green dish soap. It's called Radiance, but you can use green food coloring. Whoop.
Oh, bubbles.
So the next ingredient we'll need is a 5-ounce cup of water, and we're just going to pour it into the dish soap. Just like that. Now we're gonna take a 5-ounce cup of clear Elmer's glue and pour it into the dish soap. Now we're gonna be adding some baking soda. We're gonna need 3 spoons of this. There. Now we're gonna take our big spoon. So as you can see, it's not that green yet. But like, we don't want it to be extremely green because it'll look weird. So this is kind of a good color. But like I said, you can also use food coloring because that'll make your slime even more green. Alright, so now we're going to be decorating our slime. So the first thing I'm going to be adding is this gold glitter. It's so pretty and it reflects so good. We're going to add a pinch of this into the slime. Spread it all around so that it's not in one big clump. Now we're going to be adding the white one. It's exactly like the gold, except it's a different color, of course. All around the slime. Now we're going to be taking these bead-like things. I don't know what they're called, but we're going to be taking half the bag and pouring it into here. Perfect. We have white beads here. And we're going to be taking 1 spoon of the orange spoon. And we also have red beads, exactly like the white beads. Imagine that. And we're going to be doing 2 spoons of the red beads. Now we're going to be taking some white glitter. This is the best part. We're going to take 1 spoon, just like that. Oops. And then just dip it in. Now you see we have these 3 tiny little glasses of beads. So pretty. And we're going to be having red, gold, and white. We're only going to add a little since they're so tiny. About that much. So that you're at least left with half. Some gold. And some white. And now we're going to be stirring everything together because we finished decorating. Hopefully this comes out exactly how I wanted it. Now we're going to be adding borax into the slime. So we're going to be adding borax and stirring at the same time, and you don't want to add too much borax and you don't want to add too little. So we're going to start off with that much and then start stirring. And I can already feel it turning into a slime-like state. As you can see, it's so pretty. There's bubbles coming out of the slime too because of the dish soap, so that's super cool. Just keep stirring and adding. Remember not to add too much though, otherwise you'll overactivate it and it will probably be like a rubbery state, so you shouldn't do that. Look at that. And we're going to use a different platform just so that the slime doesn't stick everywhere, so we're using like a non-sticky platform. We're just going to knead it, and you can see that there's bubbles coming out because like I said before, the dish soap. I think we overactivated this. it's looking like a Christmas tree, as you can see. We have like the ornament type, and you can see we have the beads here, the glitter, and the little balls that are colorful. And that's all we have for today, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for having me here. It was nice to meet you all. And now my sister Ree is going to be coming in for her big surprise. So keep watching.
Now it's time for that bonus I promised you. And that is LOL surprise! So I think this is a capsule, but I'll show you the LOL. So that's how it looks. And then there's like a zipper right here. It's not a real zipper. So it's open. It looks like a, I don't know, do you guys know what this is? It's, yeah. Let's smell. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna tear it open some more. So this is like a code or something, because that's what it says. Next we have this. Don't really know what this is. I think it's like, okay, so let's try candy lemon. I don't know what that is. So we're gonna try the peace sign and the heart. Okay. We found the open department right here. So this is the second packaging. Let's try this 4-leaf clover and the demon. The rain cloud and the sun. Let's try the fire and the snowflake. Nope. Something already opened right there. This. Something's opening. So that's the third package. Let's try the rain cloud and the sun. No. But yeah. So that was it. So now we have our LOL. Just get her out of. And then let's get the body part off. Alright, so this is her mouth. So this is her outfit. Oh, this is 2-piece. This could go on. So that's her outfit. Alright, so here's her bottle. It says missing, have you seen Meow? That's cute. Looks like a choker or something. So I think that's her choker.
I'll never see it. Very cute.
Pacifier. Oh my god, these are so cute. So let's put these on here.
Look at adorable.
We're gonna put it on the side of her. I have more videos coming up, so make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.